What a fantastic afternoon here at Turbo Packs with our Durham branch. And what a little stunner we've got. You don't see many of these nowadays. A Mazda 6 MPS in absolute pristine condition. Owner was complaining of the odd puff of smoke. We've completed an evaluation. Everything looks all right, but with the extremely low mileage this vehicle is covered and the age of the vehicle, it makes common sense to have a carbon detox with our Hydroflow machine. That's busy producing its orthodoxy hydrogen, which no doubt you'll have seen in many of the videos that we've posted. Combusting the orthodoxy hydrogen along with the petrol in this case. We'll leave this going for about 45 minutes and then we'll go for another evaluation test drive. It's a brilliant treatment for restoring lost performance and really does refresh cars. So don't think this is just a problem-solving issue. You would be surprised, even if you had nothing wrong with the vehicle, the benefits that you will feel once the treatment's been completed. Have a great afternoon, guys.